Look around. Things that are ordered slip away without anyone plotting it. Your coffee cools. A neat desk becomes messy. Even memory fades a little. This isn't a conspiracy. It's how physics works. Entropy isn't punishment. It is about how likely things are to become disordered. The universe has countless particles moving, colliding, and mixing. There are many more ways for things to be messy than perfectly neat, so disorder is more common. Think of a tidy desk. Every move, shuffle, spill, or tilt creates more possible messy setups. There are far more ways to be disordered than orderly. Disorder isn't just likely, it's almost certain. This invisible force is fair, everywhere, and unrelenting. It doesn't care about your plans. From a single drop of water spreading in a cup to the huge motions of galaxies, order fades into disorder because that's what probability wants. You don't notice at first, then the pattern becomes clear. The universe follows the path of most likely. Entropy shapes everything, from a flicker of a candle to the motion of stars. Even time moves in step with this drift toward chaos. Each moment nudges the cosmos toward more disorder. Picture a box with two sections. Put two identical balls inside and let them move. At any moment, both could be in the left, both in the right, or one in each. Every setup is possible, but how likely is it that both balls end up in the left side? 1 chance in 4. Now add more balls, 4, 6, 10. With more balls, there are many more messy ways to be than neat, so order becomes very unlikely. Now imagine the universe as big as this idea. Every particle, every photon, every atom is like a ball in a huge box. The numbers are huge, but the idea stays simple. There are many more ways to be mixed up than neatly arranged. Probability, this is entropy's engine. That's why simple things happen toward disorder. A cup of coffee cools, gas spreads, colors fade. Not because someone pushes the particles, but because chaos is more likely. The universe doesn't intervene, it just follows the most likely path. Over time, tiny changes add up. Each collision, each random move pushes systems toward more disorder. When you mix it all together, the result is sure. Order can't last forever. Still, small patches of order do exist. Life, minds, buildings. They are not cheating probability. They are temporary spots of order in a sea of chaos. So what about the end of the universe? Entropy pushes it toward heat death, a state with maximum disorder where energy differences vanish, nothing moves, and time doesn't matter. The cosmos reaches calm, with no work left to do. In that quiet, nothing truly new can happen. Events become rare, and change slows to a stop. But before that final quiet, we stay as islands of order, cities, ideas, stories, brief signs of pattern in a world that will end in stillness. Our lives are tiny acts of resistance, tiny sparks that show order can exist for a moment, even as the bigger trend leans toward chaos. Entropy will win in the end. The heat death will come, yet in the moments we grow, learn, and wonder, we ride the wave of probability that makes us possible, and we shine for as long as we can.